motion, Ben. Pound the rock, Ben. Slow down, Ben. Slow down. Slow down. Hey. Hey. Good job. Up. Use your head, Ben. There you go. 2-on-1. 2-on-1. Get up. Find 2-on-1. Use your head. Head on his head. There we go. Knee up. Knee up. Again. Yep. This is pounding the rock. This is it. Knee up again. Knee up again.
Dude, hey! Finn, get your chest on top and rip the head tail. Did you hear it? Do it.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I came in weird channel. Get these deep bats to line up after the Longs match, and then they're going to recognize the official for recognizing the seniors.
Hey.
Start off. Just get them lined up.
Step on it. Pound the rock.
There you go, get that. Power down. There you go, find it. Step off, run it. Step left, run it. Oh, you gotta sweep that.
Knee up.
There you go. Plenty of time, be patient here. Heavy, yep. Knee up, good job.
2-on-1. 2-on-1. Knee up. Use your knee. Now you got to post that elbow. Knee up. There you go. There it is.
Running 3 different halves. Keep off the sides and very. You're good.
Up.
You gotta sink the half.